Peace and blessings, family. This is Elder Rasan Shakur out of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. But family, this video is going to be about the Pokey and Ray Rays, the thugs that's running rapid in the black community, that's robbing and stealing and killing their own kind with no compassion and no love. Killing their own kind, misusing their own women, misusing their own children, robbing and stealing and hating on each other. But soon Mr. Charlie come, soon Miss Becky come, they give them all the respect. You can step on a nigger feet and he want to kill you. 900 niggas standing on the corner and 2 white men come with a gun and a badge, and them niggas ain't gonna do nothing. They ain't gonna do nothing but let Mr. Charlie put the handcuffs on him and bring him to jail. And when they get in front of the judge, they're going to talk about your honor, beg for mercy. But yet they kill you for looking at them. This thugism gotta go, family. These so-called dope dealers and these so-called gangs killing up their own people, and they ain't gonna bust a bump. Ain't gonna open his mouth, grin and show all 32 teeth when Mr. Charlie come. But if you step on his foot, he'll kill you right now. Have no respect for our women. Have no respect for nothing. This thugs. But he ain't big and bad when Mr. Charlie come. Bow down like a hoe. That's right. And those kind of people must be eliminated out of the black community. That's why we need black policemen or militia or whatever, policing. I'm going to say it like this, we just need to police our own neighborhoods and get rid of the dope dealers and the child molesters and the women beaters and the good-for-nothing niggers that don't want nothing but to hurt or misuse or take advantage of somebody. That's right. Even some of these females out here doing all kind of shit, setting people up to get robbed, robbing people. I saw a sister in the video the other day, she beating up on a man in a wheelchair. We have no morals. We have no respect for each other. But we love them other people, though. We'll skin and grin at the Koreans, the Arabs, Mr. Charlie, Miss Becky, and none of them don't give a fuck about you. All they want is your money. That's right, family. So this thug culture gotta go. The thug and the ratchet culture of the black neighborhood, male and female, it must go. Because our young people are looking at that. A lot of them being raised that way. No family structure. No good father, no good mothers. They out there shaking their ass, twerking, going to the clubs. The niggas, they doing the same damn thing. And accomplishing nothing but killing another brother or another sister, or kill some innocent child, out there shooting like a bunch of damn fools. They gotta go. Thug culture gotta go. And it was created by Mr. Charlie and Miss Becky, but it's up to the black man to police his own neighborhood and get some real strong brothers and clean it out. That's right, family. But we're going to cut this video short. Peace and blessing and love. Put up the likes and shares, and I'd love to hear your comments about this thug culture, this negative culture that's holding us back. Peace and love. Put up the likes and shares, and I'm out.